Hey y'all, it's Marion, and today I'm going to do a walk around tour of our 1989 colonial style single family house. We moved from our 3-story townhouse, pretty newer built townhouse, to an older colonial style house, and we are in the process of renovating it and updating it for us to be able to enjoy. That's more of our style. We are kind of going for more of an industrial modern vibe with coastal colors to keep it light and bright, really simple and very elegant. So I wanted to do a quick walkthrough throughout the entire house, the front, backyard, and tell you guys what we're going to be updating in the house. We've already put all our furniture in because it has been very hectic this past couple of days to even think about trying to do a empty house tour. But I wanted to go ahead and record this now because we just bought a microwave, fans, we bought paint, and a lot of things are starting to happen today. So I wanted to have a document of what this house looked like before. So if you're interested in seeing the before we get anything started really in the house, keep watching, and I'll promise I'll come back every week or so to update you on what the house looks like. So here we are at the driveway, excuse me, and it's the front of the house. I'm at the very front of the property, huge backyard and front yard, and then see we have lots of space between our neighbors, which you don't get in a newer built community. It's one of the reasons why we chose this house. It has a side 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, kitchen, dining, office, family/living room space. We plan on clearing a lot of this out and make it a little more simple. We want to do a swing type area with a gas fire pit right here. A lot of this stuff has been gone. I'm going to try to save these mums and put them in clay pots, but everything else is going to be gone. The front porch, I love it. So excited about having a front porch. I already have my chair out there. These are my house plants. They're out here right now until after they finish painting. A lot of these things are going to be gone. There used to be a star here. We already took that off. All this is going to be cleared. This tree is going to be gone right here. So like I said, all this stuff is going to be cleared out. This is the front porch. Storm door, which I love. We're going to clear all this out. I'm thinking about doing a wicker seating area over here. And on this side, I would love to do 2 rockers over here. My roses, I went and cut them from my old townhouse and brought them back here to root and regrow. Want to do a cedar shutters for all the windows, all the shutters on the windows. It will update the light fixtures as well. There's some hooks already here. What I'm thinking about doing is getting some solar lights and stringing them out because it's so dark. There's no street lights here. All this is going to be cleared out. All this is going to be cleared out. I'm going to put my pink roses in the front here. And then down below is where I'm going to have some daylilies and tulips. These roses are going to go, and I'm going to do daylilies and tulips over here. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to put on this side. I'm thinking this may just, whole area may be grass, and we'll just frame it out here and do daylilies and tulips there. And then we may just clear that all out completely. But all this will go and just be grass, I think. And this is where we'll create a little outdoor sitting area. I love the big driveway. We're going to pave it eventually. This is going to be cleared out. Clean up that post. Huge driveway. The garage, I don't even want to show you how the garage is so messy in there of all the boxes. But it's cool because this is a 2-car garage, but then we have the door right here where you have another space, and then top is a loft. So that's gonna put all my camping stuff. Y'all, look at this backyard. It goes all the way back there. We're gonna get the land survey before we put our fence up, because we will be putting a fence up, so I don't have to be chasing the dogs. We have some toys out already. My son loves it. Let's look at the back of the house real quick. So this is the back. We got trash, recycling that needs to go out, obviously. Right here, I'm gonna clear this out and create some type of outdoor storage area for Trip and his toys, like one of those outdoor bins. Right now, my greenhouses are here. And there's a deck. The deck, I want to scrape that paint off, sand it, power wash it, and paint it white, and put the lattice back up there. I'm gonna put like some type of door here so the dog can hang out. And that'll be easier to get. That's our neighbor's yard, but go all the way back here. I'm thinking about putting Trip play set back here and sand table. Not quite sure yet. That whole altar or whatever that is going to be thrown out. A lot of stuff is going to be thrown out. We want to take this shed and push it towards the back of the property. This just gives you another view. I mean, you guys seen videos of the backyard in a townhouse. Doesn't even compare. Doesn't even compare. We believe the property goes all the way back to here at this post, because there's these posts right here. So we're assuming the property goes back here all the way back. If so, I will be probably removing these trees and doing fruit trees here instead. And then we believe the property goes all the way back here, all the way around. Just looking at the map on Zulu. So a lot of these little trees are going to be gone. It's all the way back here, I'm assuming. There's some new builds behind us. So through here is where we want to create a fire pit area. We brought our fire pit here to use temporarily, but we do want to build up an actual fire pit area through seating all the way around it. Get some seating around there. Probably do like some wooden swings, some laid back chairs, and have a nice time. And I'm thinking Trip play area will be over here. But I want this to be moved. We both do when we move over there. Right now we have the riding lawnmower. I mean, we go from having an electric lawnmower to a riding lawnmower. So these trees will be cleared out. A lot of these branches are going to be cut down. So peaceful, so quiet. So you can see the markers here. So this is where we're assuming the property line goes all the way back here. Look at all this space. Crazy, right? So we're thinking that the she shed will go here. Yes, the she shed. And the she shed, I'm going to have electric run to it because I want to have my sewing machines in here. So that's going to be a doozy within itself. We're thinking the she shed can go here. So I can have my electricity growing. So I want to cut a lot of these limbs down. And I'm assuming the property goes all the way up here. Okay, just looking at the map, it looks as if it goes up to here. I'm not sure if this corner is part of the property or not. However, if it is, I'm going to be building a garden up in this area. I feel like it comes up to like here and swing out to where that fence post is at. I'm walking into the house, my little lonely tomato plant. There go the dogs. So we first walked into the house. We have the stairs going up. These are some paint colors. You'll see soon the ones that we go with. This is the dining room. You know, in the townhouse, I had the leaf in. We could fit the leaf if the table was at an angle, but we'll do that if we have like lots of guests. So this is going to be gone. As you can see, we've been putting paint samples everywhere. And there's Cam. Be gentle with Cam, please. This light is going to change out the foyer area. This is the office. So you know this is my sewing desk, part of the office desk. This was left here. We're going to use this for storage right now, but eventually we'll find something nice that we like. And we want to do French doors. Oops, sorry. We want to do French glass doors here to kind of close the office off. And here's the family room, living room area. A lot of stuff going on here. We plan on redoing the whole fireplace, bringing that mantle down and exposing the brick again. Putting some cool lights in here to lighten the place up. I think this will be his play area, but we'll figure it out. Kitchen. Cabinet's gonna get painted. We're doing a above microwave over there. Love this refrigerator. We have a bath down here. You can see some different colors that we're kind of going for in here. I had this in my old house. I just bought the baskets back over. Not too much is happening in that bathroom, but color. So this is the eating area and the laundry. Here's another view of the kitchen. I did bring his kitchen in here. He likes to be in here with me. So this setup is going to be pretty much what it is. We're going to do a different china cabinet up here so my pre-dishes can be shown. We're going to extend the bar out. We're doing painted cabinets, new hardware, new countertops, a new sink. And the bar is going to be extended out so you can actually eat underneath it. I don't know if this part is being extended out yet. We haven't made our mind up yet, but we're definitely going to extend this part. And we're not going to do a table in here because we just don't feel like we need to have a table. We didn't use a eating table in our last townhouse, so we don't feel like we need to have one now. So this light will change, and it'll be really pretty in here. And the garage, as you can see, is huge. Big mess in there. We'll do a view of the deck. So we have 2 more chairs we got to get out here. But we'll have the table, the grills over here. The smoker's going to go back up here. And imagine this beautiful deck, nice and white. I think that'll be really pretty. Here's a hallway closet. Not much going on in there. All this wallpaper is going to be removed. The cat doorknob will most definitely be removed. Going up the stairs, we're going to remove this light fixture up here. Of course, wallpaper will be removed and painting's happening. We'll get new switches. We'll do the master first. Right now we just have a bunch of stuff in here. We're doing a ceiling fan in here. I have to have a ceiling fan. A chandelier would be really pretty, but it's just not practical for us. I like the sofa underneath the window, so we'll keep that there. Bathroom is looking kind of crazy, but whole new vanity, double vanities, and then we'll do new flooring. And then we want to do a floating tub with shower. Now, this has been upgraded already because the shower head that was there was extremely gross. We could not. Like, you turn the water on and it was dirt coming out. It was so nasty. So we decided to upgrade this the night we moved in or so. And this is really nice. It just comes off. You hook it back on. And then you can move this to get different settings. So I'm going to do a linen shower curtain, and it has ruffles at the bottom. this whole thing is going to go. I think we're going to keep the shutters. It kind of gives me a cottage vibe. So I don't know. We'll keep them for now. I do like the sheer curtain look, but because Ken does work night shift, I think it will be helpful for us to have blackout curtains again, like in the old house. Around the corner here is what we're using as Trip's room. I guess the owners had a little girl. So this room is really cool. Right now we're going to use his crib, but eventually he will have a full-size bed in here. View outside. And then this is so cool. So I've been trying to figure out where we're going to do his homeschool, his learning. And I really think this is going to be like our little corner. I can see us putting our learning posters up here, putting a calendar here, possibly having a bookshelf here, and some pillows on the floor, because it's just us two to go over some of his activities. But when we have guests here, we can easily close the door. The door's gonna be painted white, by the way, and not be disturbed. So I really like that. This is closet, how it's looking right now. All right, let's keep moving. Around the corner here, linen closet. Just towels, medicine, some cleaning supplies. Vacuum. And here is the guest room. I want to do a very cottage garden themed guest room. I want to put a vanity in here in a full length mirror. And then they have their own little closet. And the basket's downstairs, but I'm going to keep a laundry basket down here so they can always throw their dirty laundry in there. We're going to do a fan in here and also a fan in my son's room as well. So that was the third bedroom you just saw. This right here is Trip's bathroom as well as the guest bathroom that they will use. We have a dinosaur light. It's pretty cool. I'll show you. This was at the other house. It's off of Amazon. And then it changes colors and all kinds of stuff. This bathroom won't get too much done, but eventually we will do tile flooring and a new tub shower. Like this is going to be upgraded and stuff, but right now this is all going to be the same. The only thing that we upgraded in this bathroom was this, and then we'll paint it, and I'll show you the shower curtain. Hold on. So here's the shower curtain. You can see what theme we're going for his room and his bathroom. So that's that. This is the bonus room, the boys' room. So we have a closet here. So the closet's here. We have a big sofa there and a TV. We change out the light. There's a skylight there. And I think we're gonna do like a bar right here, just a little dry bar. And then I'll probably find some nice baskets, some hidden storage to go here to store some of Trip's toys, so when we're hanging out here he can watch it. But this is what the bonus room looks like. This sofa was in our basement in the townhouse, and it fits perfectly in here. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope you saw the vision and what we want to do with this house. If you have any ideas of how we can make this a little different and better, please leave them down below. And I will see you guys on the next vlog, and I'll be showing you updates on how I update this house. I'll try to leave links to things in the description below if I missed something. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!